Our next exercise deals with random numbers. Random number means that every time we run Microsoft Excel, the number we're trying to devise comes up with a new value, and this value is absolutely random. Now, the case in point, when we will be using or needing random numbers is, let's for instance say that we create in the next week's session a stock market simulation. So let's say that we have measured the actual stock market, and we know how, let's say just the simplest thing, by how much does the stock go up in a year. And now we've measured it for the actual stock market, and now we want to create a computer stock market that behaves, we should say, statistically the same way. And we want to play around with it, draw some conclusions, so forth. Or for random numbers, there's another application. Let's say that you are in marketing and you have your 100,000 clients, and your goal is to draw, let's say 500 clients from that stack, draw it out, and do it absolutely randomly, so that there will be a random number of men or women or old people or young people and so forth. So in that case, what you can do is you can take your 100,000 row Excel table and put random numbers on its side. And then you can actually do such a thing that you can sort those random numbers so that bigger numbers are put in front. And as random numbers next to your big table are really have no really tendency at all, it will actually pull from your 100,000 row table, it will pull to the upper part randomly chosen rows, so that it will have a non-determined number of men or women or young or old people. So a number of applications for random numbers. Let's try to create some of those. And here we can see, for instance, this Excel workbook has once again been empowered by Visual Basic for applications. Here is one application which basically draws lottery numbers, which means that it's actually even more complicated because it has to draw numbers that are not repetitive, which means 40 cannot occur 2 times here. And here is the way it works. Okay,